Hi, today we are going to present for Lab 2. This is my group member Chin Wei Lun, Ivan Yiti San, Farana Jaha binti Hassan. So my name is Farana Jaha binti Hassan, CE180071. So I will continue to answer the question in this lab. 5.1 discuss the purpose of continuity test in wiring installation. A continuity test is quick check to see if a circuit is open or closed. Only a closed or complete circuit has a continuity. During a continuity test, a digital multimeter sends a small current through a circuit to measure resistance in the circuits. We said that continuity test also can perform by placing a small voltage, such as wire in series with an LED, or noise-producing components such as a piezoelectric speaker across the chosen path.
Good day to my lecturer and my fellow students. My name is Yvonne Izusan. My matrix number is DE190014. Today, I am going to present about the question 2. Discuss the polarity test in wiring installation. Polarity in electrical terms refer to the positive or negative conductors within a DC circuit or to the line and neutral conductor within a AC circuit. The importance of the polarity test is to make sure that all single-pole devices like switches, circuit breakers, and fuses are aligned only in the phase conductor. If the polarity is not correctly determined, they may have the risk of electric short during maintenance procedures or daily use.
Good day everyone, my name is Qing Wei Lun. Now I will show the working principle of the two-way switch by using simulation software. So this is the two-way switch circuit. There are two switches here, and this battery as the power source, and the output will be the LED. Okay, by theory, to turn on this LED, we can either turn it on through using this switch or this switch. Any switch we also can turn on or turn off this LED. Okay, so let's start the simulation. First, we turn on this switch. You can see that the LED is on, and we close it back and try this one. The LED also will on. Okay, so now beside turning on the LED through different these two switch, we also can turn off the LED by using the other switch. For example, we turn on by using this switch, and we can turn it off by using this switch. Okay, and the same thing also, if we turn on by using this switch, we also can turn off by using this switch. Okay, that's all of my two-way switch simulation. Thank you.
So this is my house plan and lighting point, same with the previous lab one, and there is 7 light, and for this house there is no two-way switch.
This is a one-way switch in my house. Okay, when I turn on this switch, so the fan will turn on. Okay, when I turn on this switch, the lamp will turn on. This is switch on dining room. When I turn on this switch, so the fan will turn on, and I turn off this switch, and when I turn on this switch, so the lamp will turn on, and when I turn on this switch, so the lamp in the kitchen will turn on.
Next, this is the house plans of my house. My house is using one-way switch. The one switch is control the light and also the fan. My house got no two-way switch.
This is the one-way switch in my home. This is the switch for the bathroom. First, I turn on it, then turn off. Then this is the switch for the toilet. And this is the kitchen. This is the switch of the kitchen. Then I turn on and off.
This is the basic house plan of my house. Here is the legend for the house plan. This logo is the ceiling fan, and this one is the door. Next, this one is the switch, and this one is the ceiling light, and lastly, this one is the wiring. So in my house, there are 5 ceiling fan and 11 ceiling light. So total up, in my house, there are 16 switches in my house. All the switches are the one-way switches. Next, I will show which switches will turn on which lamp and ceiling fan in my house living room. There are 2 ceiling lamp and 1 ceiling fan in my house living room. These are the switches to turn on the lamp and the fan. When I turn on this switch, the lamp at the left side will be turned on. When I turn on this switch, the lamp at the right side will be turned on. And lastly, when I turn on this switch, the fan will be start spinning.